Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is steamed banana leaf appam. It's called baale in Mangalore and Udupi region. It's a breakfast recipe and it's a sweet dish. So let's get started. First you wash and soak the idli rice, dosa rice for overnight. After 7 to 8 hours, you blend it to a smooth paste with a small amount of water and little salt. Don't add more water, it should be very thick. In the meanwhile, you grate one whole coconut and keep it ready. And take half part of the coconut, add it with the crushed jaggery. The smooth batter is ready now. Take half grated coconut and add it to the batter. Mix it well and check the taste if salt is needed. Take one whole banana leaf and cut it to small pieces and wash it with the water. Take one part of the banana leaf and spread the batter. On the upper side of the batter, you add the mixture of coconut and jaggery. And if you don't want jaggery, you can skip it also. After adding this, you close one side of the leaf into the another. Now take this type of idli steamer and add required amount of water which is needed to steam. Keep the leaf inside of the idli pot and close the lid. Keep high flame and cook it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes it will be ready and you check once whether it is cooked or not. If it's not cooked, keep for 5 minutes more. So it's ready now. We'll check once. The banana leaf releases its aroma with the appam, and it's very tasty. So we'll meet with the next recipe tomorrow. Until then, bye.